Hi middle one, our lesson today is about Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras Theorem states the sum of areas of the squares on the sides of a right angle triangle is the same as the area of the square on the hypotenuse. Here, if A and B are the sides of the right angle and C is the hypotenuse, then A square plus B square equals 6 square plus 8 square equals 10 square. 36 units plus 64 units equals 100 units, which is the square drawn on the hypotenuse. Then Pythagoras theorem states that the squares of the sides of the right angle equals the square of the hypotenuse. Again, about Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square equals c square, while a and b are the sides of the right angle and c represents the hypotenuse. Then how can I find the hypotenuse if I have the sides of the right angle? I can find it easily using Pythagoras theorem. Here the hypotenuse AC equals the root of AB square plus BC squares. Here AB 4 units and BC 3 units, then AC equals the root of 4 square plus 3 square, which is the root of 25 equals 5 units. Again, to calculate the hypotenuse, if the hypotenuse represents C and AB represents the sides of the right angle, then C equals the root of A square plus B square. In this example, here C equals the root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is 5 centimeter. What about if I have the hypotenuse and one of the sides of the right angle and I need to calculate the other side? If A and B represents the sides of the right angle and C represents the hypotenuse, then A square equals C square minus B square. Then A square equals 10 square minus 8 square, which is 36. By applying the root to both sides, then A equals 6 centimeter. What about the converse of Pythagoras theorem? Here is this triangle, right angle triangle. If I proved that A square plus B square equals C square, while A and B represent the sides of the right angle and C represents the hypotenuse, then if A square plus B square equals C square, then this triangle is a right angle triangle. Now let's have some exercises. I need to find the missing side. Here the missing side AC is a hypotenuse, then AC equals the root of AB square plus CB square, then AC equals root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is 5 centimeter. Number B the same, AC is a hypotenuse, then AC equals root AB square plus CB square, which is 25 centimeter. Number C, the missing side is one of the sides of the right angle, then ZY equals the root of XZ square minus XY square, which is 5 centimeter. And number D is the same. XY is one of the sides of the right angle, then XY equals the root of XZ square minus ZY square, which is 9 centimeter. In the opposite figure, AC 12 centimeter, BC 9 centimeter, AD 17 centimeter, DB 8 centimeter, and the measure of angle ABD 90 degrees. First, I need to find the length of AB. AB as one of the sides of the right angle. Then using Pythagoras theorem, AB equals root of AG square minus BG square equals 15 centimeter. B, I need to prove that AC perpendicular to BC. Then I need to prove that this triangle is a right angle triangle while AB is the hypotenuse. Then let's try that 12 square plus 9 square equals 15 square. Then 15 is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle and AC perpendicular to BC. The last requirement, I need to find the area of the whole figure by calculating the area of the first triangle ABD, which is half base height, half 8 times 15 equals 60 centimeters square, and the second triangle in which the base AC and the height CB, then its area 54 centimeters square. By adding both areas, I here found the area of the whole figure, which is 144 square centimeter. Thanks for listening, and we gonna meet in other lessons.